2016, 2017. And for me personally, we feel that you should put your all into it. This is very critical because we're talking 2016, 2017, delivery for Liberia. All of you in this hall are aware 2017 is very critical to this country. So as you've come to plan, it's important that you do your best to participate and ensure that you can plan better to deliver and deliver for Liberia. For us at UNDP, we are a partner and a partner in progress. We stand by every time to support you in all of your undertakings and to ensure that you succeed. This is a critical moment even for UNDP. We now find ourselves in areas that we never envisaged before. You see us now doing cash transfer. We're now talking about the Lift Liberia. It is expected to be a game changer that will help to, empower youth, introduce life skill training to some of our young people so that, they can prepare themselves. So a lot of things are happening. So even as you are planning for your AWP, you want to say, put your best into it so that, as a ministry, as an agency, you can be able to achieve. Let the objectives be measurable, let them be achievable, and then they should be time-bound. So at this time, I don't want to bore you. I wish you a very good, interaction here at Bawoda, and I wish all of you Godspeed. Thank you.